Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're having an issue with Windows cannot find a certain file. Make sure you type the name in correctly and then try again. So this could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve this app-related problem. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Type in Windows PowerShell. Best match to go back on Windows PowerShell. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. Now into this PowerShell window, I'm going to have a command in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy it and then go up to the top bar of the PowerShell window here. Right click on it, select Edit, and then select Paste to paste it in. Hit Enter to begin running this. Don't be concerned if you see a little bit of red appear underneath of this as it's running. So we're just going to let this go for a couple minutes here. Okay, so once you have a blink cursor at the end, that means we are good to go here. So I would recommend at this point closing out of here, restart your computer, and attempt to activate the app or use the application, whatever you were having the problem with before, and hopefully your issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.